in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes, risk it every day. I know fucking ugly niggas just not fun. Had to zero out the fade cause I'm not one. So smoke something, drink something, pop one. 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 Yeah, yeah. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 On the front steps, all getting ran through. Back, ball with it. Yeah, I'm in a can't call with it. Yeah, I made phone calls with it. Yeah, I made prank calls with it. Yeah, in H-Town lately, where you find me? Yeah. Ride city, no ID. Yeah. Back of the Benz where I found peace. Yeah. Beats popular and need notchiness. From boom wop in them.